In Krita, let's open any image file. They need to be black and white, in order for Blender to recognize it later. Since this image's background is transparent, we need to add a new layer, and drag that layer below the dragon image and fill it. Let's fill the background layer with white, merge the layers by flattening the image, and invert it to have the black background. Let's save this file, and go to Blender. Select the default cube, and type X to delete. We need a grid. X 100 and Y 100. Let's add a new noise texture, and use the displacement modifier. That would make a good 3D game background image. Shift-A to add the image texture, normal map, bump, and mix RGB nodes. Let's open the external image file. I'll turn it metallic and shiny. Let's create a plane and use that as a light source by applying the emission shader. Bling bling. Here are the nodes. This is how we bring in an external black and white image, and turn it into a complex 3D mesh. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe, if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.